And now I'm gonna test the Magicycle. I know you guys asked me to test some of the bicycles to see how good. They usually come with 52-watt battery and should have some more torque in it. I believe it's like 750 motor with a Magicycle brand on it. And the seat looks large, should be soft and nice. Handlebar like 28 inches wide, which is good. Half throttle, nice display, colorful. I'm in a glass, so yeah, it's not bad actually. With a like manual bell, hydraulic by Bengal, which is good. Large front light, and well, this one is basically full suspension bike, which doesn't have a rack, and I'm not sure if they come with mud guards. Most likely you can attach one probably, and it comes with disc brakes, but I would assume it's 180 millimeters both. And front is on quick release, so it's easy to remove the front wheel, most likely 26x4. Hopefully I will not kill myself on this bicycle today. And let's go. I'll post it on the speed number, pedal assist number. Oh, they have 7 pedal assist level on this bike. I'm not sure if you can see it, but a lot of cables over here, so this space to buy extension most likely and get this handlebar higher if you want to. But yeah, looks like acceleration not bad at all, not bad. The position, everything I need to adjust to make more custom to fit better, but looks like the seat and handlebar too close to each other for my height, so it's kind of pedaling. See, I need to change the pedaling level. I'm gonna change to level 1, maybe 2, because everybody's slow right now. Somebody probably slow, so jackrabbit over there. And let's see how easy to pedal. Pedaling on number 1, it's not bad. I like regular fat bikes, I guess. Right now I turn to pedal assist 0, so it's not bad at all. I know some people like really fan of Magicycle of 52 watt, but unfortunately I cannot really test it in the mountains, so I cannot really see how much torque it got. But maybe they'll send me one for test when I get more time to experiment. But let's see if the controller set so I can see. Looks like the throttle works independently from pedal assist, so it's good, so it can go up to the top speed. And I believe this one can go probably 28 and above miles. I'm not sure on throttle only or not. So let's see. I'll go with on the grass first. Actually, it's not bad, and I'm gonna park to show you Magicycle. I don't remember what's the name for this one. I think deer. They have all the animals name, but it looks good. It looks good. All right, so I'm going back. About the suspension, rear suspension, they're actually not bad, and most likely they will perform not bad off-road. The bike is heavy, so it does need some pedaling with but again, let's see how good acceleration. So I just made 21 miles and now on the grass. Actually on the grass about 18, so about the same as other bicycle.